And today I'm going to take you through one of my newest brokerage listings. This is a 2021 Scout 177 Sport. This is the shark gray hull color. Trailer shown here is included with the boat. Nice casting space forward. Trolling motor panel is included here. Upgraded JL audio speakers. There's also a subwoofer installed on the port side, which we'll come around to later. Live well is located beneath this forward-facing console seat, with rod storage on either side. Recessed cleats throughout the boat. Additional rod holders in the back. We do have a fiberglass wedge ready to mount a power pole. 90 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke with only 37 hours on it. Reboarding ladder on the port side. Just had this boat detailed, cleaned up really nicely. Now we'll make our way inside. Open up some of the hatches. Good storage space. In addition to where the anchor is housed, there's also dedicated space for a bucket. Again, live well located beneath the forward-facing console seat. Nice subwoofer JL audio installed. This boat's got a great sound system. Comfortable helm seating for two. The seat cushion does remove if needed. And then beneath you've got a lot of storage capabilities here. Igloo cooler, tackle storage. There's a netted area on both sides. Easy access to the bilge as well. Hydraulic steering as an option. Again, 37.4 hours. You have trim tabs with LED indicators that show where those tabs are positioned. Steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. You got storage behind this compartment here with additional battery trays if you wanted to do a trolling motor on board. Battery switch is located here. Digital gauges, aircraft style toggle switches, cup holders. Great fishing boat if you're wanting to get in the creeks or the flats. Also just a fun little creek cruiser. Again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're located just off 142 Sportsman Island Drive, off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. You can contact me directly at 843-574-8289, or you can email me at carl.anderson@marinemax.com, and that's Carl with a K. Thanks for watching.